Hello, it's Mrs. Firestone, and I'm here for not another sight word. Today, I'm here for science. Now, when I am doing science, I need my scientific lab coat. My lab coat is quite special. My lab coat is filled with colors. And yep, you see them. They're M&M colors. Every scientist needs an awesome lab coat. My lab coat is covered in M&Ms because that's how this scientist rolls. When you see me in my scientific lab coat, this lab coat is kindergarten science. So when you see this on me, you know it is science time. Are you ready for some science? All righty, then let's go. And this week, we are going to be talking all about germs. Ugh, germs. I know that we have heard a lot about germs and how we really should wash our hands all the time. And if we touch something that's dirty, wash our hands. But why? Why do we have to do that? I want to know, is it really important to wash our hands? Let's do an experiment. An experiment is a test to find something out. And I want to find out, is it really important to wash my hands? The first thing we need to do is make sure we have all our materials ready to go. So here is a list of our materials. So you can stop this video to make sure you have everything or to have someone help you write it down so you'll remember what you need. Or you can wait till we're all there, pause the video and take a snapshot. So what we need for today's experiment is we need 3 pieces of bread, a container of dirt, some paper towels, tongs, 3 Ziploc bags, a permanent marker, and a plant mister or a little spray bottle. So those are the things we need for our experiment. Remember, if you don't have time or you aren't able to do our experiment at home, that's okay. That's why I'm here. You are going to do it with me. To begin, we have all of our materials laid out. I have my 3 pieces of bread. I have my 3 Ziploc bags, my bottle of water, paper towels, and instead of doing a container of dirt, I took some shoes, rubbed them on the floor, took them out to the courtyard, and scrubbed them into the dirt to make those shoes nice and dirty because the bottoms of shoes are disgusting. And I also have my marker. So let's get ready to start this experiment. We are going to begin by taking that shoe and rubbing it all over my hands, the front, the back, the sides, all over your hands. If you're using a container of dirt, get into that dirt and get your hands nice and dirty. For this, the first time, we are going to now use some soap, and I'm going to wash my hands. So you want to take some soap and really wash your hands good. I am going to wash them and sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'm going to rinse them off. And I'm going to dry them with my paper towels. Now I'm going to take the first piece of bread and I'm going to just see if I can get any of those germs onto that bread. So just pat your hands with that bread. Take it. You can use your tongs for this. I'm going to just slide it in with my hands, seal it up, and I need my marker. And on this first bag, I am going to write washed hands. Now we are on to part 2. Get that second shoe or your container of dirt again and rub your hands all over the bottom of that shoe, or get in there with that dirt and get your hands super dirty again. This time we're not going to use soap. I'm going to just wipe my hands off with a paper towel. That seems to be fine. It's just a little dirt. It's not going to hurt anybody. See, I got some off on that paper towel. It's all fine. Take another piece of bread and wipe those germy hands onto that bread. Really get it on there. And now I'm going to take my next bag, either with your hands or tongs, put it into the second bag. Oh, found another little piece of dirt. Make sure you get it. And put it inside that bag. Seal it up and grab your marker. And on this piece, I'm going to write, did not wash. I'm going to wash the dirt off my hands now so we can continue our experiment. Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 men in a tub. The butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker. I have all the dirt off. I'm going to dry my hands, and we're ready for that third piece of bread. What could that be for? I will tell you. That third piece of bread is our control. Our control in this experiment is going to show us what happens to the bread when we didn't put any dirt and grime on it, what it would look like if it just sat in the bag untouched. So we're going to write control on that one. The last thing we need to do is grab that spray bottle and squirt once or twice into the washed bag, into the do not wash bag, but do not squirt it into the control bag, because the control bag is just what would happen if we did nothing to the bread. So make sure you have those squirts in the did not wash and the washed hands. And then now we have all 3 of our bread bags ready for science to happen. So now all we have to do is wait. What I want you to do is, if you did this experiment at home, each day, don't open those bags, but I want you to watch it. And when you watch it, that's called making an observation. Real scientists make observations. So what you can do is you can have a day 1 paper, draw what it looks like. Day 2, draw it again. And 3 and 4. And see if your pictures that you're drawing change from day to day. And then you'll be able to see what is happening. I look forward to Friday, when we will find out if it's really important for us to wash our hands. I thank you for being my scientists, and I look forward to seeing you back on Friday. I will see you later, and remember, science is sensational.